The paradox of silence and power. East Mountain is a profound exploration of the duality between human consciousness and the machinery of modern existence. The composition is dominated by an ethereal, misty atmosphere created through a sophisticated blending of acrylic and oil on canvas. The fighter jet, a sleek aerodynamic predator cutting through the clouds, representing the peak of human technology, speed, and potential destruction. The solitary figure. At the base of the canvas, bathed in a vertical column of light, sits a figure in a state of absolute stillness or meditation. This creates a powerful juxtaposition. The horizontal, fleeting movement of the jet versus the vertical, eternal stillness of the human soul. Yelm, the atmospheric void. The vast, textured middle ground serves as a buffer of uncertainty, where the material world, the jet, and the spiritual world, the figure, coexist, but remain worlds apart. Technical mastery. The choice of medium acrylic and oil allows for both the sharp, technical lines of the aircraft and the soft, organic diffusion of the surrounding environment.